Primetime news this evening. Police investigating death of veteran journalist Barbara Gale. University student who tortured ex-girlfriend sentenced to over 15 years in prison. And we continue to delve into the cost of Christmas.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the PIOJ is forecasting that the economy will decline during the December quarter. I'll tell you by how much and what this could mean a little later on in the business day.
And to tell us what's coming up in sports, here's Jermaine Brown with a preview.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. Cricket is in the air, and the West Indies women, they've leveled their three-match T20 series against India's women. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And every time you say cricket, Giovanni eyes, it lights up. I wonder why. Anyway, Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We do have some shower activity still expected to be affecting sections of northern parishes over the next couple of days, but drier patterns are expected across sections of southern parishes.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience shopping for gifts and other items for the Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.